Hello D-Nation and welcome back to a Harley-Davidson special unbox and review edition. In today's episode we are going to be unboxing the 2001 Harley-Davidson FLHRC Road King with sidecar, which is a licensed premium 118 scale diecast model manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, the packaging on this one is a licensed Harley-Davidson affiliated window type boxing with all the product branding and information manufactured by Maisto. So let's take a look at this premium boxing before we crack this thing open. And with that out of the way, and as we get this unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this open. To begin with, this model is a licensed product of Harley-Davidson, and this motorcycle is an all-time classic which looks quite premium and has a good build quality to it and has quite a bit of details, and this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking. This model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 1.5 inches in width and weighs in at 209 grams, and the sidecar measures in at an additional 1.5 inches in width. This model also comes with spot-on paint apps and branding details and has free rolling wheels, excellent suspension and a lot more, which makes it an amazing collectible. And just so you know, the sidecar can be detached by removing these screws if required, but I like to retain the original look, so I'm not going to tamper with this for sure. And with this model you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. So with that being said, now let's place this classic beauty on the D-Nation dyno and check out its wheel spin and functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast model in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium classic model. And so with that being said, let's place this diecast motorcycle on the D-Nation turntable and take a look at this beauty on wheels in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. A sidecar motorcycle is a 3-wheel vehicle with the side wheel not directly aligned with the rear motorcycle wheel and is usually powered by the rear wheel only. This is different from a motor tricycle where both rear wheels are powered and share a common axle. However, either P.V. Mokharov of the Soviet Union or H.P. Baughn of Great Britain seem to have been the first to employ a driven sidecar wheel in 1929. Baughn two-wheel drive outfits were so successful in trails events in the early 1930s that there were attempts to have the ACU ban them from competition. A great many companies experimented with two-wheel drives in sporting events, and indeed many companies employed them in military vehicles prior to the commencement of World War II. Currently, the Russian manufacturer Ural produces several models with two-wheel drive that can be engaged as desired. And for further information on sidecars, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle that is featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this premium diecast model. And kindly continue to support D-Nation by subscribing if you haven't already, and please do like and share our videos, and stay tuned for a lot more fun stuff coming up. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop a comment below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.